This is for our New Zealand dollar JPY. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, make a comment, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section, so follow it to stay updated. So let's start with our quick analysis on our current trend of New Zealand dollar JPY. So you can see that on this our recent movement here, we are literally ranging. So this is from our resistance level. Market rejected from our resistance down to our support. Then it came back to our resistance and dropped back to our support. Came back to our resistance, dropped back to the support. Now market is literally giving us that rally movement to our resistance level. So where we continue that movement to the upside. Now if you go to your a new higher high is about to be formed here. As you can see here to be our higher high. This is the higher low. Now a new higher high is about to form. Once the new higher high forms, an higher low will play out, then another higher high will do. So if you want to open for New Zealand dollar JPY, you will want to open for the buy till it fully taps our resistance.